Good morning, friends. Let's welcome to Let's Talk Nifty. So today, I'll be covering only FINNIFTY as today's FINNIFTY expiry. So and FINNIFTY charts look very appealing. So now I have quite a bearish perspective, simply because there are so many gaps to be filled, and FINNIFTY needs a good amount of correction. Let's look at FINNIFTY and where we stand. So I'll be bullish on FINNIFTY only if it crosses and gives a positive candlestick above 21,570. Otherwise, there is every chance that FINNIFTY will fill this gap at 21,200. So that's our potential target, and in between, 21 to 80 would be also a good target. So what should be the trading strategy today? So we need to wait, because maybe we get a gap down, or maybe we get a gap up or flat opening. So gap up, if it opens above 21,570, then I'm bullish. Otherwise, if it gaps up above somewhere here, then it's gonna be a sideways stay mostly, so I would avoid. So I'm interested in either flat opening or little bit positive opening, and or negative opening. Now, why I said we need to wait is there are good supports here, two supports. So my guess is it's gonna open and then come down and take support and break this, just to take the stop losses out, and then it will give a bounce to somewhere here, 21,482 or 21,450, and then we'll get to see a good fall. So we need to wait, let this moment go, right? And if it breaks here and then it's keeping going down, then you can short on a pullback, right? But most likely, since it's expiry, it will break this, come up, give a negative candlestick here, and then we can trade for this and these targets, right? So that's my trading strategy for the day. Hope this video was useful. Let me know in your comments, and thank you very much, and have a great FINNIFTY expiry. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.